girl. Yeah. Right. Two more only.
Alright, so these are the young ones you say, Ray? Young ones. These are the more mature ones. The mature ones are green, dark green, and they said these are the seeds.
The flower that
Will seed? Okay. And this is a piece of the bark and it smells heavenly. So, Ray, so the cinnamon tree, I want you to tell me a bit about cinnamon. Like a lot of people don't know how cinnamon grows, that it's actually a tree, a spice, but cinnamon is a tree. So.
Yeah. Well, cinnamon, as you mentioned, is a spice, and it is used in many for foods,
Porridge.
Mm-hmm.
And they used to make bubble gum. You know cinnamon bubble gum, right?
No,
you know cinnamon bubble gum?
No, sir.
Yeah, man, cinnamon is using bubble gum.
Okay.
Yeah. And cakes.
Bakings, yeah. And
Different
teas.
confectionaries, as I was saying, like the bubble gum. But what are the health benefits of cinnamon that you know of?
Okay, well, most naturally, I know that cinnamon is good for circulation. And it's also good to get rid of gas from the body, stomach too.
Okay. Outside of its mouth-watering flavor, cinnamon has many medicinal properties. There are many reasons to add cinnamon to your diet. It's high in antioxidants, which may help protect against premature aging and inflammation. It may also improve gut health, dental hygiene, reduce cholesterol levels, and lower blood pressure, according to scientific reports. Cinnamon is also used as a laxative for gas and for sore stomach. It is also good for diarrhea, vomiting, and nausea. It is also good for colds, sore throats, and coughs. Studies are also showing that cinnamon regulates blood sugar, making it a great choice for diabetics. Researchers are now looking into its use in cancer prevention, as well as various neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, brain tumor, and meningitis. Cinnamon also contains a natural chemical called cinnamaldehyde, which studies show increase the hormone progesterone and it decreases testosterone production in women, helping to balance hormones. The cinnamon tree is a small to moderate bushy evergreen tree that grows to about 52 feet or 16 meters in height. The bark, leaves, and stems of the cinnamon tree have long been used as both a spice and a traditional medicine. So this is a tree, this is what the tree looks like. So, but the parts that are used, people use the leaves, but I think it's the bark that's used to make the powder.
Powder, yeah, the bark.
So, show me which section of the bark. You can get a piece of the, not strip the tree, but
actually, you have to strip it.
What about that part where it's already breaking off? Like a little piece,
not much.
Normally they would strip the tree.
Strip it and get off.
But
we skip the outer layer, the bark.
But does it regrow? After they strip it, does it regrow?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So it renews.
Yeah, it renews.
Okay.
So
if you cut off this,
the
tree won't suffer.
You smell it? Yeah.
Whoa.
So it like this. You take off the outer layer and then just.
Okay, I take it off.
And twist it.
And
like, when it dries, just have that natural curl. Yeah.
Okay. So, what are you doing now, Ray?
Well, I'm actually climbing the tree.
You're climbing the cinnamon tree? To do what?
I need to get a mature limb.
Yes.
Also, to highlight the young leaves that are protruding out.
Right, and those are pinkish, reddish, the young ones?
Right. These are not mature. Then actually, when the tree is in this more the stick. We don't really reap it. You understand?
When do you reap the bark or the leaves?
When none of this is present on it.
None of the young leaves?
Young leaves, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Also seeds, so these young leaves will actually bloom and seeds after time.
And those seeds can be planted to bring new trees?
Right.
Okay. Can we take a leaf of the young one and something from the mature one?
Okay. Actually, right here you can see where it's blooming right here.
We are ninja.
Yeah, man. See, newly blooms coming out. At this stage, the cinnamon tree itself is going through a process of reproduction, so we don't really disturb it much at this stage, you know.
And this one over here?
These are the newly leaves coming out.
Okay.
Young leaves.
But they don't have a strong smell. They smell, but not as strong.
No, actually, this sound like it non-existent. No, this have no smell.
Okay, just the mature ones.
Yeah. These ones now have a strong cinnamon smell, you know.
Cinnamon can be found in tea blends, baked goods, beverages, confections, desserts, pickles, liqueurs, marinades, meats, sauces, soups, and also in chewing gum. In Jamaica, cinnamon is popular in old-time chocolate. As a supplement, you can find it in capsules, in teas, and extracts. The major commercial use of cinnamon in Jamaica, however, is to flavor food. Cinnamon is also used in a large variety of pastries, including breads, cinnamon rolls, puddings, and cakes. The use of cinnamon goes back to ancient Egypt. It was used as medicine, as a spice, and as an embalming agent. The use of cinnamon can be dated back to almost 2800 BC. Some of the earliest mentions of cinnamon are in the Christian Bible. In the Bible, cinnamon is mentioned as a component of the anointing oil used by Moses for the purpose of anointment, that is, to make a person holy. Cinnamon was, at one point in time, considered more precious than gold and was once traded as currency. As such, being very expensive and highly treasured, the quest for cinnamon led to a world exploration in the 15th century. Cinnamon played a major role in colonial expansion. It was part of the motivation behind Christopher Columbus's voyage, which, by mistake, led him to the West Indies. Cinnamon was brought to Jamaica in 1782, along with the number 11 mango, rose apple, jackfruit, and several other fruits. Due to its irritant and skin sensitizing properties, cinnamon bark oil is used minimally in the perfume industry to add a musky, woody undertone. Cinnamon leaf oil is also used as a fragrance and a germicidal ingredient in soap. Cinnamon is also used in toothpastes and mouthwashes. It has been traditionally used as a tooth powder to treat toothaches, dental problems, oral microbiota, and bad breath.
Slowly we'll be taking off the dry leaves to get revitalize itself, and you know. Yeah.
So, in terms of these trees, what do they do with you sell the plants? What do you sell the leaves?
The leaves.
Okay.
Cinnamon.
Okay. chopped off this limb here. So you're saying there's a reason for chopping off the dry limb from off of the
Definitely,
cinnamon?
yeah.
Why?
Because the dry limbs will cause the tree to start rot from that area.
Okay.
You know, so
Okay. Well, these hot scent, these still smell nice.
yes, still
So,
smell.
so me want it, chop it up so me can
You can
bring
carry
it.
it.
Yes.
Okay. You have to pick up a slipper. You can't
I'm
go
going to
to
put them barefoot, I take my slide.
What girl? You shoot like a kid.
Give me the machine, let me take like this. Which one is the top off?
See some round here, sir?
Where? Okay.
Yeah. Right. Two more round there.
Tomorrow I'm going to chop myself. Alright.